First of all, you'll want to assemble the frame, but there are a lot of pieces, so it might take 10 minutes or
Right.
as so. But it doesn't matter how big you do it. I've done for a quite large structure. But if you want it sometimes to grow more up and out, maybe a smaller one, a bit in the middle, medium-sized one, more up, maybe a tall one. Then you want to insert your plant into the pot, as so. Now what I've done here is I've carefully taken it out of the pot, turned it upside down and spread the roots out a tiny bit. Then I've put it in to the pot and I've made a hole into the plant that it can fit. So, and then after that I've cushioned it with a bit of soil so it can blend in with the rest. Then insert your cage as follows. Then you want to squish it down the side of it into the soil. After that you're essentially done, except just to water it really. So I'll see you in a second. If you consistently water it, you will have some fresh tomatoes in a few months.